In this video, we will deploy the website on the home computer. So in the last video, we had seen that our website was ready. So first we will create a deployable WAR file. So go to the project in Eclipse and right click on the project and then select export and export as a WAR. Select the folder in which you want to deploy the WAR. So I will select, go to the PC and then go to the desktop, and then I will create a new folder and save the WAR file there. Finish. So this will create a WAR file, so you can go to the folder to verify if you want. So WAR file is there. Okay, next step we will do is we will open the XAMPP application that we had installed in one of the earlier video. So we will need Apache application server and Tomcat server to deploy our website. So let's first start the Apache. Okay, so Apache server is up now. Now we will start the Tomcat. Okay, so Tomcat is running as well now. So before we can use the Tomcat to install the application, we'll have to set up the users. So go to the Tomcat users file. So by default there is no user added to the file, so like it's mentioned here, there is no user included. So in order to use the manager GUI, we have to add the user. So I have done this configuration already, so I have added this user. So these two lines I have added in order to be able to access the manager GUI. So make this change in your configuration file and then save and then close the file. So once that is done, then you can click on the admin button here. So this will open the Tomcat GUI, and on here click on the manager app button and enter the user ID and password that you entered in the configuration file. Okay, so this is where we will deploy the WAR. So select the WAR file that we created through the Eclipse. So I will go to the desktop and then select the new WAR file that I had created, and then click on this deploy button here. So we see that a new entry has been added in the applications list here. So when you click on this application link, it will open the URL of your website. So your website now is deployed on the Tomcat server on the computer. In the next video, we will see how to link a domain to your home computer.